Far beneath the waves where sunlight has never reached, there is fire. Not the kind you know. It burns silently in complete darkness, under crushing pressure. This is Earth's deepest volcano, and it's still erupting. At the very bottom of the Pacific Ocean, over 4,000 meters deep, lies a chain of underwater volcanoes known as the Lao Basin. Here, in 2009, scientists discovered an active volcanic site, now called West Mata. It was the deepest erupting volcano ever witnessed by humans. To even find it was a challenge. Imagine dropping a camera into complete blackness. No light, no sound, just the cold silence of the abyss. When scientists finally reached it using robotic submersibles, what they saw shocked them. Lava spewing from cracks on the ocean floor. Underwater fire in slow motion. This eruption didn't explode like Mount Vesuvius. Instead, it bubbled and pulsed. Superheated lava mixed with icy salt water, creating pillows of molten rock that solidified in seconds. And around the volcano's vents, a chemical soup of minerals and gases forming massive chimneys, known as black smokers. Here's where the real mystery begins. Despite being pitch black, freezing, and toxic, these volcanoes are surrounded by life. Giant tube worms, ghostly white crabs, bacteria that literally eat chemicals for energy. These creatures don't rely on sunlight. Instead, they thrive on a process called chemosynthesis. In fact, some scientists believe that life on Earth may have started in places just like this, deep-sea hydrothermal vents. Billions of years ago, long before plants, animals, or even oxygen, something may have crawled from this heat and darkness and evolved. But how does fire even exist here? Earth's crust is cracked like a broken eggshell. In areas where tectonic plates pull apart, like in the Lao Basin, magma rises from the mantle. When it touches seawater, it doesn't always explode. Sometimes, it builds. West Mata's volcano isn't tall like Everest. In fact, you'd barely see it from above. But it has power, enough to heat the surrounding ocean, form new land, and feed entire ecosystems with its chemistry. During the 2009 expedition, researchers saw an eruption live, in real time. The camera trembled, ash billowed, tiny explosions echoed in the water. A red glow pierced the black, revealing something no one had ever seen before. A volcano giving birth in complete darkness. And yet, West Mata isn't alone. There are thousands of submarine volcanoes across Earth's seafloor. In fact, most volcanic activity on Earth happens underwater, not on land. They shape the seafloor, build islands, and may even affect climate through carbon and sulfur emissions. But we've barely scratched the surface. Over 80% of our ocean is still unmapped, unexplored, and unseen. What other volcanoes are hiding in the dark? In 2016, NASA began studying deep-sea volcanoes, not to explore Earth, but to prepare for alien life. If organisms can live in such extremes here, they might survive beneath the icy oceans of moons like Europa or Enceladus. So the next time you look out at the ocean, remember this. Beneath the calm blue surface, there is a world of fire, one that burns without flame, a world where life started, and where new worlds may begin. Thanks for diving into the deep with us. If you enjoyed exploring the fires beneath the sea, hit like and subscribe. There's still so much left to uncover.